Hello there friends, I hope that you're doing well. So here we have a HP printer, HP Deskjet 3788. The problem with this printer is that on the screen it was displaying error 3, so A3. So it seems that I've managed to fix it. In my case, it has a lot of ink, as you can see, inside the printer, so I managed to remove this top panel. So in order to do that, you need a torque key like this. It has some really strange screws, so you need a set of torque keys. It's not a normal screwdriver like this. So it has here a screw, and here two more, 1 and 2. Once you remove these screws, you can just push this part out. A bit hard with just one hand, like here, and then you can just remove from this side and then just gently remove the right side as well. You need to be careful because on these sides it has some kind of strings and you don't want to break those. So let's see how it looks inside. Okay, so here is how the printer looks inside. In my case, on the right side I had ink all over the place. This is how much napkins and Q-tips I've used to clean it, and it still has ink, but this is probably the best I can do for now. In your case, most likely there is no ink at all. So what you can do is to use a napkin to wipe this string here. You just wipe it with a normal napkin. It should look completely clean when you finish, and you should look inside for any pieces of paper that are left, anything that looks unusual inside the printer. Once you see that everything seems alright, nothing is out of place, you can just close the lid. As I said, clean everything as best as you can, and that's pretty much it. Unless there is an object that is blocking the cartridges to move, there is nothing more that you can do. Maybe inspect these cables, see if anything is broken. But overall, this error happens if the cartridge does not move. It's not related to the cartridges being empty. That's another different error if it happens. And also it should just print. You can just long press the web button or the Wi-Fi, and it will just print a page with information related to how to set up, for example, the Wi-Fi for the printer. As I said, in my case, I've cleaned here on the right side and this string, and it seems to work. Let's just make a test. Okay, so after putting the lid back on, I'm doing a printing test. So right now the printer is connected to Wi-Fi, and it seems that it works. No more error. So in my case, I was lucky enough to make it work. I hope it works for you as well. best of luck. If it doesn't work, probably you should go and take the printer to a service, see if they can do anything else. Alright, so I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.